Hey everybody, fourth grade, Station 6 here, Birdsong Hero. I'm actually Smoky Mountain National Park in North Carolina, and I'm trying to listen to some bird sounds. So, different pitches and volumes. Birds are really good at understanding sound. So it's actually a really cool simulator that you're going to do for Station 6, Birdsong Hero. So I'll bring up that website and take you through a few things, and you'll want to make your observations for Birdsong Hero. How can this simulation help you understand sound, pitch and volume, all that good stuff, and using a spectrogram. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. I'll do that actually one more time. So I want to make sure you can hear everything too, that it comes through. All right, here is Birdsong Hero. There is a nice tutorial, so make sure you click through the tutorial. Show you a little video of what to look for and how to read the spectrogram. So I'm actually going to go ahead and take you into the round. So you're going to play the song as many times as you want, and then you're going to try to match up the spectrogram. Spectrogram just shows the sound as far as pitch and volume, so you can kind of look and match those up. So then here's the three birds. I love this because it'll even give you some information, some pictures of the three different birds for this particular sound. You have A, B, and C, and you can kind of look. This is a spectrogram for them, and you know pitches low to high. So like on C here, low goes high, and then there's a pause, low to high, and then even the colors are showing your intensity, so your volume as well. So if I play song 1, you can, like I said, play as many times as you want, and then try to match up that sound, and also record your observations. How can this help you understand pitch and volume? What do you think? Very interesting. I'm going to play it one more time. So I'm thinking I hear 3 different things. It sounds like it's going from low to high. So I don't think it's A, because this is kind of very low and then jumps up and then low. This one all kind of seems, the pitch is kind of not going in different places. I'm almost thinking it's C, because it sounds like it's going low to high, low to high, low to high. I could be wrong. What do you guys think? You can agree or disagree with me. But I'm going to hit C because that's what I'm thinking, just by what I know about the pitch. So let's see if I'm right. Oh, yes, got it right. Look at that. So just knowing that I know pitch goes from low to high, I was able to tell. Let's play what this one sounds like. Yeah, notice the pitch kind of really just hit, but the volume went down a little bit. See the intensity? Pitch went down a little bit, but also the volume went down. Wow. So you're very kind of low, it jumped up very quickly and then went back low again. So, wow, I got it right. Very cool. And that's what you'll do. You'll keep going on, and they do get hard. So they will get a little bit harder and harder as you go through them. But you can make your observations, do this whole class, or if you have a computer, you can do that on your device as well. But make sure you write down all your observations. How did this help you understand pitch and volume and vibrations that produce sounds? So very cool. I don't want to keep going because I don't want to give everything away for you guys. I want you to explore. So that is Birdsong Hero. I do want to show you a bonus though. Hopefully you see this. This is a Chrome Music Lab. It's a lot of fun because it has a spectrogram here, but it has a lot of fun little stations that you can play around with to help you with sound. So I'm just going to show you a couple of them, different experiments here. So you have a piano, a song maker, a lot of fun. Rhythm, you have a spectrogram again. And you also have sound waves, and voice spinners, a lot of fun as well. So I suggest, and strings is a lot of fun. So those are the ones I suggest using. So I'll start with strings because it's pretty cool. I like this one because you can digitally see if you have like a long string and I pluck it, you can hear the sound and you can watch it vibrate. And then if I go to a shorter string, so you can pluck those different strings and you can see how the vibration of the string and also the pitch. So that is very cool. So strings is a good lab to go to explore. Voice spinner is really interesting. So you record your voice in here and then you can spin your voice around. And you can notice you'll have your volume here. So this helps you with kind of like volume. So let me try it. And if you're using a computer, you can record your voice. Yay! And then you play it and you can spin it. So how fun is that? You can really explore. You can see in my volume how I increase. You can make it pitch. Slow it down. And then you can turn it the other way. Way too much. So that's another one. And then the other one you can do is a spectrogram. So you can see spectrogram of different instruments like a flute. So very similar to the bird, but using different instruments. So you can kind of study pitches and you could also do your voice. Hello, fourth grade scientists. So you can play around with your pitches, and do different things. So a lot of fun there as well. Sound waves is pretty cool too, because you can play the piano. You can actually see the movement of the different sounds due to pitch. So if I do a high pitch note or a low pitch note, I can actually see that sound. So I have a low pitch sound. Let me go to the middle. So what's happening? Pitch is increasing, getting higher. And then let me go to the very end here. Wow. So that really gives you an idea of pitch and what happens fast. Those fast movements versus the low and slow movements there. So that is another great little lab. And if you want to top it off, very fun is you can go ahead and make a song. So I would go through all those and then you can make your own song and you can add drums. Just making a little beat here. And then you can add in some different sounds here. can play it. Very interesting. And then the cool thing is you can actually add your voice to it. So you can make a little, get your beat on here and then add a voice and make a little song. And then you can actually save it, share it. So very fun. So this is the Sound Music Lab, and it has lots of different experiments that you can use for additional stations just to help you understand sound a little bit better. So explore Birdsong Hero and write down your observations, and if you have time, you have bonus, go try out the Music Lab experiments to help you further understand those learning goals on sound. So thanks for joining me, and we'll see you on day 5 in my studio. Woo! It's gonna be fun.